leverage trading group is on fire. Like, I can't even believe what's happening. Takes the guesswork out of trading. It's just like follow the leader. This person, I joined the leverage group on June the 16th. It was my first time trading leverage. And 10 days later, his balance is $1,600. He 40x'd his $40 in 10 days. He hit anchor for 123%, 343% for POGAI. And this is on MEXC, this coin right here. Nailed anchor for 150%, 86%, 47%, 42%. And people are just like, dude, this is amazing. This person, he moved from Germany to Spain, and he's making a living while trading crypto. Oh, extending a little bit longer because we're having so many people sign up, and the success is phenomenal. A lot of people took losses throughout the bear market, and this is one of the greatest opportunities that I've seen for people to make money in this market. But if you want to get into the leverage trading group, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. 60% off is still valid. The most important thing you can do right now is sign up for MEXC. You got given away $9,100. You must use the link in the description to get half price trading fees. If you want to join leverage trading, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. We'll get you in there. You can go to cryptorev.net. You want to sign up for spot or gem pick group, which we nailed 33%, 37%, 38%, 84%. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin still at this key level. You haven't really had, you had a pullback, but not much of a breakdown, right? And so a lot of times what you want to see is a pullback where it shakes out and scares some of the retail traders and they sell, and then you got your pro traders ready to buy the dip based on these support levels that we talked about the other day. From right here, see this price action, there's a support right here from this price action, right? Understand these order blocks, and it changes the game completely. I mean, you can go right now and you can go into the order book and you can see all the buys are stacked at these levels that I marked previously. These were just as an example. But the most important thing is Bitcoin needs to break and hold this level for 35,000, 40,000, and 45,000 Bitcoin, right? Bull run ready. Let's go. Now, pullback ideas. Again, same basic idea. This is the 8-hour chart. You've had a slight retrace. It almost looks like, let me just zoom in real quick. This is kind of on the fly. I'm wondering what the 1 hour looks like, just to get some type of, because you remember, you're gathering data every minute of every day. And like right here, you're putting in, with bullish divergence, you're putting in a falling wedge. You have this resistance right here, but you're painting a falling wedge, 68% chance that this breaks higher. And so the question is, how high does it go? Is it able to flip this level? So what we do is you take the measured move, the length of the open end, and then wherever it breaks out, you could see 31,200 based on this idea. So short term, 1 hour chart, Bitcoin looks like it wants to move higher. Now, Bitcoin daily chart. And again, higher time frames always win. Higher time frames are the most important. You've seen Bitcoin regain and retest the 200 simple. And then after this falling wedge, it broke out, and it's just at this level, real close to it, at this level, and it just needs to break and flip it for the next move higher. On pullbacks, you're looking at levels like 29,500, 28,900, 27,500. If this pattern, this large broadening rising wedge, breaks to the downside, you do not want to be holding any crypto, right? Because this would be massive devastation to the market. Now, the weekly chart, this is clear as day. You got this bounce, 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 bounce. Now this is previous support, and now it's resistance. So flip this level right around 31,800. And again, you see 35,000, 40,000, possibly $45,000 Bitcoin up here. Just don't want to break lower. I mean, you had this huge bullish engulfing candle and completely negated all this boring downside nonsense that we've seen week after week after week, because big players, BlackRock, talking about, hey, we're going to shoot this ETF out. I mean, they got $10 trillion under management. I mean, those are big numbers. Now, Bitcoin CME futures weekly chart basically looks the same as yesterday, but very clear, this level right here, this was bearishly retested, then downside. Here it was rejected, and now here you need this thing to flip, and then you could go to 45,000, right? And you could mark these levels real quick based on support and resistance. And right here, 47,000 even in the cards. Bottom line is, if you are not charting on Tradingview right now and able to chart support and resistance, you do not know the rules of this game. You don't want to be scrambling around trying to figure out what to do. And I'll teach you the basics of cryptorev.net. I'll teach you all of this. Plan A, plan B. Plan A, this thing flips here. Bitcoin dominance is going to pump and rally, right? People are going to FOMO into Bitcoin. They won't be worried about the altcoins until Bitcoin gets boring later on, right? And that's just part of the market cycle. But when you had this devastating markdown phase, you had reaccumulation, and now you're working higher. The question is, can the bulls punch through this level? And that's your plan A, is buy the breakout of 31,800. Plan B is to short anything that gets rejected, right? Especially if this trend line right here gets rejected, because you could be coming down to 24,000, 22,000, 20,000, right? So just understand these are very important ideas. Got to make money in this market while it's boring, right? And so the leverage trading group has been very good for that, because all we need is price moves. It doesn't matter if it's up or down. Now, Bitcoin market cap, this thing has been on fire. This is not good for altcoins, because it means that right now, 51.72% of all the crypto being traded in the market is Bitcoin. So it's not good for the altcoins, right? If this thing breaks lower and bullishly retests, there's going to be a lot higher prices. My idea, we've talked about multiple times, is a kiss of death right here, where you get run up to the 200 simple on the weekly and you get rejected. If that happens and this thing starts to meander slowly to the downside, that's when you're going to get your altcoin trading, and we start gem pick bangers again. The entire market takes off on the bullish level, and that's how this market works. It's cyclical, right? So you trade and adjust to what the market gives you, and I'm just super grateful for everybody's success in the group, everybody learning, everybody watching the videos, because you will learn these ideas. You just have to keep showing up every single day. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.